Now this is Carhenge, which is situated near the town of Alliance in Nebraska, and so modelled on the Stonehenge in the UK and was built in 1987. So all the cars are painted in grey, and you can see they've welded together to put the ones on top, and then the ones at the bottom have been buried up to 5 feet into the ground. So there are various other sculptures that are on site as well. If you have a look through here, you can see behind there are some other cars. There's one sculpture of some Fords, which is called the Ford Seasons, as a nod to Vivaldi and his music. There's a dinosaur, which you might just be able to see through these ones, but it's a really fascinating site, well worth visiting if you're in Nebraska in the USA.